Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a water pump on a Nissan Sentra. Start by gathering tools and a replacement pump before you jack up the car. Drain coolant into a safe container and remove any splash shields or drive belts blocking the pump. Keep parts organized and take photos for reassembly. Wear gloves and eye protection and have fresh coolant ready to refill the system after installation. Begin with the car safely supported and the serpentine belt loosened for access. Loosen hose clamps and drain remaining coolant around the pump area. Remove all mounting bolts and lift the old pump straight out to avoid damaging the housing. Clean the mating surface until it's free of debris and old gasket residue. Compare the new pump to the old one to verify fit and prepare for gasket installation and bolt torque specs. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy for garage work and don't slip while you wrench. I use them when I'm under a car, and they still look great after many washes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new gasket and position the pump carefully to avoid pinching the seal. Tighten mounting bolts in a cross pattern and use the correct torque to prevent leaks or warping. Reinstall the serpentine belt and reconnect hoses, then refill the cooling system with the recommended coolant mixture. Bleed air from the system by running the engine and monitoring temperature and coolant level. Check for leaks and retorque bolts after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.